Hey there friends, today I'm changing out a damaged wiper blade. As you can see, it's all floppy there, so time to be replaced. What you want to do, this is a 99 Pontiac Grand Am, but most of these are the same. You just tilt it up this way, push down, and then pull it out of there. Like that, okay? This happens to be also an install video. So I have some Rain X wipers here. Hopefully, if I can get them out of the container here. And for the Pontiac, these take a 17-inch wiper blade for the passenger side, and this happens to be the passenger side. Alrighty, so I am not sure. Let's see. So we're going to push this up here. The hook goes through, up through here, and then hook it on and just pull it down. So we're just going to push it up through here, onto there. You hear a snap. And there you go. It's that simple, my friends. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.